Lesson 5A, Story Time. Lesson 5B, Values. Characters. It's Olaf. It's Olaf. It's Elsa. It's Elsa. It's Anna. It's Anna. Picnic. Picnic. Olaf likes picnic. Olaf likes picnic. Elsa likes picnic. Elsa likes picnic. Anna likes picnic. Anna likes picnic. Let's learn more. Healthy, healthy, unhealthy, unhealthy. Apple, apple. Banana, banana. Pizza, pizza. Burger, burger. Apple is healthy. Apple is healthy. Banana is healthy. Banana is healthy. Pizza is unhealthy. Pizza is unhealthy. Burger is unhealthy. Burger is unhealthy. I eat healthy food. I eat healthy food. He eats healthy food. He eats healthy food. She eats healthy food. She eats healthy food.